Thinking about taking a long here. Going to have a cyclical support print, hopefully simultaneously or close to it on both charts once these sine waves cross. They print dynamic support and resistance levels as identified by red and white. Screen lines open, but this blue bar right here is a professional activity based on average trade size, and so that's kind of giving me a clue that possibly from this most recent pullback here, from creating this high of the day, uh, some limit orders maybe resting there that got filled to go long. Only thing I don't like about it is that it's an up bar. Usually, usually the best way to interpret those is if it's a down bar and we're coming down, and on a pullback, it's usually indicative of professionals taking long positions to take it back up higher. Hopefully, that happens. Have quite a bit of institutional activity around this area, as indicated in this pane right here. I've got it filtered for any trades greater than 99 lots. And so we'll keep monitoring this setup. Scott Long 24.25. Didn't wait for the cyclical support to print, but it's going to print pretty soon here. Also, there's a lot of absorption going on right here, so it's kind of a little bit risky, but I'm going based on all of this activity here. Not much downward price reaction to all of this negative delta momentum. Look, it just flipped down here. This is my delta momentum. It's just flipped to the upside. A lot of longs taking positions here, and a tremendous amount of sells going off in excess of 2,000, and price not being able to get pushed down below that tells me that those are buyers absorbing all that selling. We are back inside yesterday's range. We're one time framing higher. Values overlapping lower. Cumulative delta, very nice tail on this particular bar, but a lot of selling coming from the early morning high. Not a lot of price, price is not really reacting to all that selling, so it's adding more fuel. Just got the cyclical support to print on 2000 tick bar chart. This PB indicates pullback, as in pullback, and then the next one that prints will be a resistance. It'll say probably end pullback. It's just signifying the end of a trend. Doesn't mean that the next one can't be in the same direction. It's just the algorithms in these indicators somehow try to peg the end of trends. So NYSE ticks is supporting this move. All the indices are ripping to the upside. Bonds are actually rising too. If I can get bonds to flip, that would be even more supportive of a move to the upside. But VIX is coming off. Everything's supporting the move, and my target is going to be 2650. It's just a one lot right now, but okay, volume POC just shifted to 25.25. So delta momentum is continuing to build here. So this is a good position to be in. I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, now these are going vertical, so tell you what, taking 1.25 out of this. don't like the way that's going to print. It tells me that prices could possibly be coming back down. And with only trading a one lot, it doesn't give me a lot of wiggle room. I just got taken out at 1.25. So let's just see what happens with price after my exit. While bias is still to the upside, I just didn't really want to sit through what's going to happen when this rolls over again. And plus, I've got a blue professional bar here, and the fact that the volume POC just shifted up there. I don't know, man. I mean, that could be traders, you know, having a bunch of limit orders on the offer side, wanting to take this back down. So I got two conflicting data points here. Actually, as far as price bars go, but again, you know, I just got to bear this little white dot, these white dots, bearish divergence, better momentum. This is measuring volume, so volume's definitely been coming off ever since we made this most recent high of the day. And so it's definitely a big fight going on here. There's a lot of large players in here with large lot sell orders and large lot buy orders. So plus it's early morning, usually a lot of high emotion, trying to trade the mornings. So right now, me pulling that trade off at 1.25, it's just could just come down here and test the open and then rip higher, but I like to get in and get out. So, alright, that's it.